Somebody messaged me and said, talk about solutions to hormonal imbalance. Okay, so before we talk about, let's have a little understanding of what hormone is. So hormones are like chemicals in our body. It's like chemical messengers, yeah, that regulates, that regulate how our body behaves, how our body functions, and what they regulate includes things like metabolism, mood, growth, and reproduction. So when these hormones are not in balance, okay, then it becomes a problem and it can lead to various different health issues. So some of the causes of hormonal imbalance will be poor diet and lifestyle, always poor diet and lifestyle. So some sugar and processed food, including alcohol that we consume on daily basis, can change the level of our hormones. Another thing is stress. So chronic stress increases cortisol level. You know what they call stress hormone. So it will affect other hormones. And then there is sleep, lack of sleep. Poor sleep will affect the melatonin, cortisol, and insulin balance. So there is every need for us to get sleep whenever we can. I know because of lifestyle, work, different things, job. It's difficult for people to get proper sleep, but sleep solves a lot of problems. And also some medical conditions like diabetes, thyroid. Sometimes we don't talk about thyroids a lot. So disorders of thyroid can cause some hormonal imbalances, and of course some medications. Women on birth pills, control pills, and obviously some steroids, like we said, and some hormonal therapy can also affect the production of natural hormones in our body, and of course age and menopause. So as we grow older, and especially in women's, then there might be some declines in some hormones, in some feminine hormones. And also another causes could be obesity and some environmental stuffs like pesticides, plastics, chemicals. Some of all these things can have one way or the other, how they affect the hormonal level in our body. Now, some of the managements and solutions to this will be diet, just like we said, diet and nutrition. So let's continue to eat as healthy as we can. Fruit, vegetable, lean proteins, healthy food, healthy fats as well. And then as much as we can, we try to reduce sugar and processed food. Okay. So we can manage our weights better, and also learn how to, and that will help to stabilize our insulin as well. What we call omega-3 found in like fishes, flax seeds, walnuts, and all those. They are good in production of hormone. So that's why some people, will go to the market and buy, some tablets, the medications that contain omega-3, and of course, the natural means of getting them through fishes, seeds, and all that. And another good way would be hydration. We cannot rehydration is what I mean. Okay, we cannot overemphasize the use of the need to stay hydrated. So water helps to flush out some toxins, some bad stuff in our body that will affect our hormone in one way or the other. So water is always good. And another way we can manage or control these hormonal problems will be lifestyle changes, stress. So whatever that make us to have stress, so however we can control it or limit it, is a good way to start. and again getting enough sleep. They will always say, oh, M for 7 to 9 hours. Trust me, some of us don't get up to 3 hours sleep in 24 hours. Sometimes you can't even help it. It's situation that make your fish to bend. And then regular exercises, training exercises will help to train our hearts, help us to stay in shape, to stay healthy, and balance some of the hormones in our body. And also exercise helps to manage stress as well. So some people will go for herbal and natural remedies for this problem. Definitely, there are some herbal stuff somebody can use to help the hormones. Okay, some people have some people have always talked about the importance of turmeric and some fruits and some herbs. The question is to know what those herbs are, where to get them from, okay, and to know exactly what they do. So we encourage research on some herbal natural herbs, because it is from some of these herbs that the medications that we take come from. Okay, so research is encouraged in these areas. And then lastly, but not well, another reason would be another way of managing hormonal imbalances will be medical treatment. So there'll be, especially some women regarding reproduction. And then if you go to your doctor, there might be medical, replacement of hormones, like hormonal replacement therapies, okay? Especially also even in menopause, and when maybe there's no production or little production of certain hormones, medication can help. Go to your doctor for assessment, diagnosis, and prescription of these medications. And also, if it is thyroid, okay, so there can be medications to try to balance this, so there won't be hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism and all that. So also controlling of insulin in our body. Always visit your doctor. I know it's expensive. I know sometimes it's the accessibility, the availability of these human of doctors, depending on the country where you live. Yeah. So, and another way we can keep an eye on our hormonal imbalance is for regular health check, blood test. So it's an easier way for medical practitioners to check the level of our hormones, especially thyroid, insulin, and some reproductive hormones. So they can check the balance and know if we need topping up of some of them, or some of them need reducing and all that. Please don't forget to consult your doctor if any of the symptoms we have mentioned and other ones we did not mention, if they persist in your body, please go to your doctor for professional evaluation, assessment, diagnosis, and treatment. So my final thoughts on this will be, balancing hormones in our body will require combination of different things. Talk about healthy lifestyle, stress management, proper nutrition, fluid, okay, and then medical intervention by your doctor. So if you suspect that you have a hormonal imbalance in any way, please, let's start changing our lifestyle habits into healthy ones, and then consulting a healthcare provider for guidance. Please, if you have any other thing you can add here, please add it on the comment section so that everybody will learn together. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to share. I love you.